Decided to do another update for my passion fruit, and these little seedlings are getting bigger, starting to have some true leaves. So you can see the two embryonic leaves on the sides, and in the middle that first leaf starts emerging. And so there's a few that are starting to get that, and I've already transplanted a few of these little guys. I'm going to transplant that pot right there. So here's some that I transplanted earlier today. And here's some I did 3 days ago, I believe, and they're actually growing secondary leaves pretty quick, or true leaves, I should say. So I don't know if giving them deeper soil is making them grow faster, but it seems to be a good idea to stick them into these other containers. So I'm going to go ahead and stick 3 or so into that cup, and then I have another cup I'm going to put 3 into, just trying to decide which ones I feel like are growing the best, and I'll choose those to be the ones that I move. The other ones I'll probably just leave in here, and since most of them are doing so well, I'll just leave them in here. But I'm pretty happy with this project. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.